The COMET Sleep Research Platform and Applications Model. COMET is an acronym for Comparative Outcomes Management with Electronic Data Technology. This video describes an informatics platform that hosts a study called CET, Comparative Effectiveness Trial. I would like to acknowledge the authors listed and the funder, Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. I'm Rick Miller, Director of Information Technology for COMET. COMET is a research project with the primary goal of developing an informatics infrastructure to enable collaborative clinical research projects. It is a specific aim of COMET to demonstrate the use and benefits of the infrastructure with an application of the technology to a comparative effectiveness trial called CET. CET compares the effectiveness of positive airway pressure versus oral appliance therapy for hypertension and abnormalities in cardiovascular function improvements in a primarily female population with obstructive sleep apnea. COMET Platform and Applications Model. COMET applications, shown in the green boxes at the top of the diagram, are familiar to most research study staff and fall into the following broad categories. Research studies, such as CET, public websites such as comet.stanford.edu, registries, patient-centered portals. There is an application for administration which provides for scripted creation of other applications. Typical users of the applications are at the top of the diagram in red. The platform is depicted by the three blue boxes and are layers of functionality that are shared by all applications. The platform is transparent to the application end users, and from their point of view, they are able to enjoy a consistent, high-quality user experience with their applications because the apps are built on a standard rich platform. At a high level, the platform has shared features that fall into 5 categories: platform administration, governance, content, visualization, and language. In this video, you will see a collaborative environment and presentation layer of the Comparative Effectiveness Trial, CET. CET is one of many applications of COMET technology. Other applications include public websites, registries, and patient portals. The details of the COMET platform are not shown, including the data capture, data processing, and data analysis, or data pipeline, and business intelligence features based on multi-dimensional analysis. Permissions and general organization. The COMET platform sits at the top of this diagram and houses shared features such as security, instrument libraries, and document content type definitions. Security and permissions are built into the system so that only users of permissioned sites or subsites, as the hierarchy, are able to see more granular elements such as clinical centers or cores. 3 colors of 3 site collections are indicative of broad levels of security. Comparative Effectiveness Trial in green, Study Management in blue, and Project Management in red. Please note that CET is one of many possible studies or applications of the COMET platform. Many studies can exist on the same informatics infrastructure using independent security but sharing features and other economy. Permissions. Users are enrolled in directory services and placed in logical groups with read or write permissions to specific sites of the CET site collection. If the user does not have permission to a specific area, features, or documents, they will not see those elements. The following groups are all groups for CET. There are people in each group. Permissions are set by groups and inherited by the people in the group. General organization. The home page of the site is labeled as Comparative Effectiveness Trial and is the green zone. It's the entry page to the study, and it provides general information about the CET study. It is the least secure of the 3 zones. Every group has permissions to this zone. Study management is the blue zone. The study is managed here. It is more secure than the green zone, and specific team members such as steering committee or clinical centers have access to their specific team site and related content. Project management is the red zone. This is the most secure zone with the least number of users having access to this site. Informatics aspects of the project are managed here. The development team collaborates on various projects, and from this zone we can monitor the movement of data and the health of the infrastructure. Basic features of this collaborative environment include task lists, calendars, announcements, team lists and personal sites, document libraries, form libraries, and search. Advanced features include content type hubs, workflow, database reports, dashboards and charts, pivot tables, business intelligence, and taxonomies. Each site has its own homepage with content specific to each team's use. Here are the study management, steering committee, and clinical center sites. The content and users are different, however, the organization is the same. Let's take a look at the homepage of the Information Technology site. There are 3 columns showing 3 types of information: summary, detail, and reference. The summary column contains a description of the site's use. It also contains team members with links to their personal sites. There's also a diagram that depicts data or workflow of a primary task for this site. The reference column on the right is composed of web parts. Some are minimized and some are expanded. Contained in this column are tasks. Tasks are activities that are scheduled and assigned to a specific person. By clicking on a task header, more information can be seen of the tasks. It can also be displayed in a Gantt view. This is how to expand announcements. As with all lists, announcements are easily added. Calendars also have multiple views, and detail can be seen on a dedicated page. This calendar can be linked to your email client, and bilaterally you can schedule dates from either interface. Related links to URLs of interest and clocks for time zones of various team members is also in the reference column in the lower right. The detail column in the center includes detailed information in the form of database reports and documents which are aggregated from various sites by targeting and ranking in order of importance. At the top of this column is a live data dashboard revealing a key metric for this site. Live database reports are available from a library and also provide metrics on various aspects of the project. Groups of documents specifically aggregated for the site are easily available. The system includes fully functional versions of word processing and spreadsheet software that run within the browser. Fully interactive pivot tables directly connected to the live active database are available for diverse needs such as monitoring the progress of the study as well as multi-dimensional analysis. This report indicates the status of form data entry by site and by visit. Data can be interactively filtered by clicking on the individual visit or the individual site for which you want to view data. The COMET research platform and applications model is sustainable. It is built on a standardized platform. There are large communities of users, trainers, support personnel, developers, and all are available worldwide and online. COMET provides a componentized systems designed specifically for comparative effectiveness research and other applications which are reusable, able to be configured and customized for particular use, and have shared features suitable for collaborative contribution and evolutionary quality improvement. COMET has built-in metrics to validate reduction of costs, predictability and accuracy, and faster time to deployment, conduct of study, and analysis of results. This is as compared to typical ad hoc study environments and tools built only for a single purpose. In summary, COMET is a sleep research platform and applications model. CET is a comparative effectiveness trial, which is one of many applications of COMET technology. This video has shown the collaborative environment and presentation layer of the comparative effectiveness trial within the context of the COMET platform. The application of COMET technology to applications such as CET is sustainable because it reduces costs, increases qualities, and reduces time to deployment and conduct of the study relative to other approaches. This collaborative environment encourages contribution, and with the research community's engagement, features can be added incrementally to grow the platform while supporting evolutionary quality improvements. Thank you. Subsequent videos, papers, and posters will document more details and more features of the COMET Sleep Research Platform and Applications Model.